up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're about to do something we've never done before. It's been a very long time, not with this combination. We're at Streetcar Takeover. There's a mobile dyno. We're going to put it on the chassis dyno. We're going to see how much horsepower it makes. Whoever guesses the closest to the actual horsepower it makes is going to get a free t-shirt. So make sure y'all put a comment. We'll come back in a couple days after this video post. We'll show you the results and we'll pick the winner. Check it out. What do you think this Gen 1 small block Chevrolet is going to make? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And these pulls were on about 33 pounds of boost. And if you want to support our channel and buy some of our merchandise, that would be awesome. Head on over to turbojohnracing.com to grab you some merch. Let's go see what it does on the dyno. So they just put the vents on it. We just put the fuel in it. We're going to drive it up there. It's not super far away, but we're going to drive it up there real fast and get it on the dyno. Let's check it out, guys. Here we go. Where you gotta sit there? Where you gotta sit there? My head is like 18. This big Mustang. Oh, was he? Oh, he's here. All right, guys, well, we made some good power, but we had a little pop. I think we hit the rev limiter there at the end, and it sounds like the transmission might be making a little bit of noise.
Yeah, it looks like it's leaking right there. See that little spot? See that little drops up there?
So we're gonna try to get it off of here in a second, see what it does. These guys are from Tennessee. What's the name of y'all shop?
LS Innovations and Dyno Pros.
Dyno Pros, awesome, man. Well, I appreciate y'all letting us make a couple pulls. This was fun. We'll see what happens with that. Hey, hopefully it ain't broke bad.
I don't think it's broke.
It might not be. It might just be hot. That was some killer power.
Screen over here.
Let me go check it out. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, guys. Boom. Awesome, man. I appreciate y'all letting us make